Hi everyone, it's Tammy and I have a package here from Lorene Plans to share with you all. Now, I was a PR gal for her and I am no longer a PR gal for her, so please check out her Instagram and you can hopefully find a discount code on there. But she is focusing now more on Instagram, and honestly it was just time. My session had expired and we decided that, well, I don't know, it was just my time to be up. But I still have kind of a PR kit. I don't know if this is, the way she did it was you could get some freebie stickers at the end of each month that you were PRing for her. So this is the end of my PR months. I had a couple. I had November and December that I have in this stack. So I have quite a bit of PR stuff and I just love her stuff. So hopefully you guys will enjoy it too and check it out. So this is a freebie. This says, thank you for your order. I hope you enjoy your new stickers. Follow me at Lorene Plans on Instagram, and my PR girls linked in my bio for planner inspiration. Also join my Facebook group. Here you will find inspiration, get sneak peeks, and also provide feedback suggestions on sets. Each Sunday she hosts a Show Me Sunday with a $15 shop credit prize. Look for our new releases on Tuesday for just $2 a sheet. Well, how about that? And she has a frequent shopper loyalty card. So check her out. So, and this is the frequent, you can save 15% on your order and you can get the little flower or the little butterfly, and it looks like you fill this up and you get $10 off. So check it out. And here is a little sample pack. Very cute. Her stickers are really, really sweet. Oh, and she included some washi. This is Bow Confetti Header. Ooh, that looks cute. I think this is new to her shop. So how cool is that? And then this is a kit called Coffee Time. And it has the numbers. And then I just ordered the mini kit. So I just have these 2 pages that is really cute. Of course, Coffee Time. You know I love Coffee Time. So that is adorable. And then this one is called Follow Your Heart. It's Eiffel in Love, and it has this cute little dog. And I just ordered the mini kit on this as well. So this one has 2 pages. Actually, this one has 3 pages. I must have gotten like the added washi on this one or something. I don't remember how it worked. Or maybe I ordered these by the sheet. I don't know. Because I think her kits usually come wrapped in plastic. So I think that this was one of the kits. And I know that there were 3 pages. So look how cute these little dogs are. This will be cute for Valentine's. Oh my goodness, that's adorable. And it's called Eiffel in Love. And then with all the knitting I've been doing, I had to get some knitting stickers. And then I'm hoping to learn to crochet. So I also got some crochet stickers. So this one is the knitting one. And knitting has 2 needles and it says Knit Happens. And this one is the crochet one. And with crochet you use a crochet hook. So how about that? Sticks and the hooks. And this one is called Love Forest Animals. Has the numbers, and then Do Small Things with Great Love. I don't know what I'm talking about. This one has 2 sheets, so it doesn't have the washi sheet, so I don't know what I'm talking about, but look at the hedgehog. Oh my goodness. Super cute. I love all the critters. Love, love, love. And what isn't cuter than a critter in a scarf? And there's a raccoon with a scarf on. And this one is Winter Blues. And it has the numbers. And polar bear. And a penguin. And an Arctic fox. Super cute. My son loves penguins, so this will remind me of him. And it's winter, and I'm sure it's gonna get colder. It's supposed to be cold this weekend for sure. And this one is called Bibliophile, and it's all about reading. Kitty cat. It says all the reading she had done had given her a view of life life they had never seen. Woo, I read that wrong. All the reading she had done had given her a view of life they had never seen. And it says reading gives us someplace to go when we have to stay where we are. That's cute. I really like that. So that'll be fun to use. And that's kind of a good one for any time. And then there is meal prep stickers, which are fun. And these kawaii critters, which is also fun. Oh my goodness, look at those guys. And then, oh, I got another sheet of the I Fall in Love because I don't have to have a reason for that one. I love it. Oh gosh, and look at this. This says King Golden, and it has the dog, and he has a foiled crown on. Oh my goodness, that is adorable. Oh, looks like I got another knitting one. Or did I put those in the back? I must have put those in the back. Oh no, I didn't. I got two. All right then, lucky me. And then these are for, I think these are for the Hobachini cousin. I don't know if I'm saying that right. No, these must be for the Hobachinis, but I like them anyway. I like to use these in my planner at work. And this says Pumpkin Spice Life. So this will be for next fall, but still cute. And then these have the little golden retriever, which is adorable, and it says Life is Golden. So that is cute, cute. And then here's one that says Backyard Barbecue. Isn't that cute? Oh, that hamburger looks yummy. There's even a little guitar. And then I got two of these because I thought these were neat. And it says books I've read. And then you can like write the name of the book in the binding. Isn't that cute? And it's a sticker, so you can stick it in your traveler's notebook or your planner or whatever. I thought it was really cute. So I got two of those, and then I got all of my other goodies. So yay, how fun. So that is from Lisa Lorene Plans. I love her stuff, and I hope that you guys check her out and see what you can find. And it sounds like she has a lot of good like sale kind of things going on. So check out her $2 Tuesdays and her sales on Instagram and all of that. So yay! Thanks again for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.